Hi, I'm Steph Rains. I'm the grounds manager here at the Santa Barbara Botanic Garden. Today we thought we'd give everybody a glimpse of our incredible irises because they are all currently in bloom all over our garden. There are approximately 14 native species of iris in the state of California. About 6 of those species are considered quite rare. This purple iris in front of me is Iris douglassiana. It is our most common iris in the garden, and we have populations of it pretty much all over the west side of the garden. Iris douglassiana is known and widely appreciated for its natural variation in color. So we'll look at a couple of the variations that we can see just right here in this small area in the arroyo. So in front of me is really just this beautiful blue purple. We have a couple others here that are really a pale purple pink color, and then we have another population over here that is really a lot more in the white tones, and then a population right next to it that is more of a dark kind of reddish purple. And so horticulturalists over time have selected some of these colors to create various color selections and hybrids, and 3 of those hybrids we'll go see in another area. Here we have a cultivar called Canyon Sunshine. It was developed by a famous horticulturalist named Dara Emery, who worked at the Botanic Garden for many years. This is one of the iris that has been formally introduced into the trade through the Santa Barbara Botanic Plant Introduction Program so that other nurseries could grow and propagate Canyon Sunshine across California. It is chosen for just this beautiful butter yellow color. It's a robust plant. It's an easy to grow plant and has done quite well in our garden and in the trade itself. This is Canyon Velvet, another cultivar that Dara Emery also worked on. It's my personal favorite just because of this deep, beautiful, velvety purple violet color, unlike any of the other irises we have in the garden right now. Currently, this population here in the arroyo and a small planting up in the meadow are the only 2 plantings we have of Canyon Velvet. It was one not introduced formally into the trade, so this one has not been propagated and grown outside the Botanic Garden, and has also been a robust plant, though not really as robust as Canyon Sunshine and the next iris that we're going to look at. This is Canyon Snow, characterized by just this beautiful big white flower with this really gold, lovely center. This has been one of the most successful of the irises in our plant introduction program. It is a plant that was actually selected by Carol Bornstein from plant material that Dara Emery had also worked on previously. It's been very successful in our garden, and we have it in a number of plantings. It has been officially introduced and grown in the trade and is distributed in nurseries throughout California, though with high demand and difficulty in growing and propagating, it can be not easily found, but maybe one of the easiest to grow and most robust of the Iris douglassiana cultivars, along with Canyon Velvet and Canyon Sunshine. So those are 3 of our Santa Barbara Botanic Introduction irises. There are a number of others, but these are the main ones and the most popular ones, and we hope to be able to have some of these available to the public in a future plant sales.